Hi loves! It's me Lavina and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, magkakaroon tayo ng skincare product review, and this time I'm very much excited to share this product with you kasi this is perfect and suitable for mommies like me. And syempre diba pag mommy ka na minsan, napakahirap sa atin maghanap ng time. So, minsan napapabayaan natin yung sarili natin. And sobrang, alam nyo naman ako, very vocal ako about that na kahit mommy ka na, we should know how to take care of ourselves. Kasi syempre, diba, pag napapabayaan mo yung sarili mo, it will reflect on your physical and sa nakaka-affect din siya sa mood swings mo. So, it's very important na kailangan may time pa rin tayo for self-care and self-love like pamper. And you know what? Skincare products is really one of the best ways to pamper yourself para naman ma-feeling renewed ka, diba? So, well, anyways, because of that, I will be sharing just one product that will definitely improve the texture of your skin. Kaya kung gusto mo malaman yung product na yan, just keep on watching. But before we start, syempre, if you're not yet part of the family, please do subscribe and click the bell button right after watching this video. And without further ado, let's start right away.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over.
So now, let's proceed right away. Wag na natin patagalin pa. And yung product na sinasabi ko sa inyo is from Avon. And ito yung a new renewal activating serum nila. So, ito siya. You know, it looks so pretty. The box itself, sobrang sleek pero classy. And this is my color from the background. It's pink. And this one, it's kind of nude pink. I really love it. So, well, basahin natin from the box. It says here that a new renewal activating serum is formulated with a unique ingredient combination that works in multi-layers to help improve skin performance from inside out. The high-performance formula contains Avon's exclusive protinol, strengthens and firms skin, while niacinamide works at the skin surface to help skin renewal. Nag-iinteresado talaga ako kasi yung ingredient niya, yung pinaka-main to ingredient niya is protinol and niacinamide, which I will be explaining more of that later. Here to use this one, use in AM and PM, apply to cleanse face. So when it comes to ingredients naman, very detailed, nakalagay lahat dito. So kung meron kang ingredient na iniiwasan, kung meron kang mga ingredient na katulad ko, may tinatawag ako na red flags. So may mga certain ingredients ako iniiwasan na pag nandun na agad sa product na yun, medyo ingat talaga ako or minsan hindi ko na agad ginagamit. So far, yung ingredients dito, wala naman doon yung hinahanap ko na red flag. And also, ang pinaka-main ingredient niya is niacinamide, which is, you know, I love niacinamide. Paulit-ulit na lang tayo dyan sa previous vlogs ko. I'm very vocal na sobrang love ko ang niacinamide kasi it really works perfectly on my skin. Sobrang hiyang ako dyan. So, once na yung skincare product is may niacinamide, medyo good to go ako dyan. So, now we're done with the box. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung pinaka-product itself. Ayan. Diba? Ito siya. Grabe, sobrang social niya, sis. Napakaganda niyang i-display na lang. Yung nakita ko nga to, parang, oh my gosh, gusto ko na lang siya i-display sa kwarto ko kasi super nice. Ang pretty talaga niya. And yung color ng serum itself, para siyang may pagka-glittery na, basta sobrang glossy ng itsura niya. Ayan. Siya, oh, super, ang ganda talaga. And this one, hindi siya glass, so hindi ka matatakot. Pero syempre, you have to be careful na ibagsak siya. Syempre, mababasag pa rin yan. Siya ganun kabigat. Perfect siyang dalhin. For example, mag-overnight ka or aalis ka. Parang kahit ganyan yung itsura niya, mukha siyang mabigat, pero it's not. Sobra, kasi parang plastic siya na makapal eh. This is 30 ml, which is napakarami na rin niya. Sulit na to. I think this will last kung everyday mo siyang gagamitin like AM, PM. Siguro it will last 3 months. Pero for me, kasi ginagamit ko lang siya sa night time. Umabot pa to ng 4 months. So, ayan. So, pakita ko na sa inyo yung pinaka-product itself. Gusto ko mapakita sa inyo yung texture niya. Sana mag-reflect sa camera. But when you press it, like, one pump lang. Ayan siya. I'm not sure kung kita talaga sa camera yung pagka-gloss niya. When it comes to scent naman, I really like it kasi may pagka-floral hint siya ng konti but not too strong. Just perfect lang to add that relaxing feeling every night na maglalagay ka. Like in my case, I consider my skincare routine as way of pampering myself. So every night, gustong-gusto ko yung mga skincare products na very lightweight lang pero may scent siya na nakaka-relax. Pero siyang calming feeling kasi pag nakakaamoy ka ng mabango and not too strong. So, i-spread ko lang siya before we proceed kung ano ba yung mga makukuha nating benefits with this product. So now, as I've said earlier, I wanted to discuss the two main ingredient it has, itong product na to. It has protinol and niacinamide. So babasahin ko na lang, syempre, ni-research ko para mas mabigyan ko kayo ng detailed and better definition ng ingredients na yon. So let's start first with the protinol. So ang protinol, it helps to stimulate the two types of collagen in the skin, are responsible for keeping skin youthful and looking. So, syempre, di ba, alam nyo naman na as we age, collagen is very important na binuboost natin sa skin natin kasi ito yung makaka-help talaga makareduce ng mga fine lines. Ito yung makakatulong talaga na mas bumata ka tignan para maiwasan yung pagka-stress and haggard looking. So, very important talaga na nabuboost natin ang collagen natin sa skin. And the second ingredient naman is yung niacinamide, which is also known as vitamin B3. And it helps to smooth the skin, minimize the lines and imperfection, and at the same time, it helps to strengthen the skin's natural protective barrier. Alam nyo naman, ulit-ulit na tayo dyan, like ko sinasabi na I love niacinamide. Basta ang skincare product may niacinamide, interesado talaga ako itry yan. And you know what I noticed with niacinamide? Kahit hindi na ako gumagamit ng mga rejuvenating sets, which we all know na ang Rejuve sets, it's very harsh sa skin. Lalo na kung sensitive skin ka or manipis yung balat mo, I don't recommend it. But you can always try products with niacinamide kasi one thing I've noticed with niacinamide, kahit may mga dark spots ako, nahi-help talaga niya ma-lighten out yung dark spots ko and meron talaga siyang glowing factor sa skin. Actually, just in 7 days, I've noticed talaga na na-minimize ito yung fine lines ko. Well, ako kasi I'm turning 30 years old. Syempre, not too young, pero not too old naman. Pero syempre, diba, nandito ako sa stage ng I'm really taking care of my skin. Kasi nga, pag napabayaan yan, mas nagiging noticeable yung mga fine lines, yung mga pagka-stress looking and haggard face. And ako talaga, as early as now, I'm using skincare products na makakatulong ma-prevent yung aging. Yes, it's normal talaga na tumatanda tayo, magkakaroon tayo ng fine wrinkles, but we can always prevent that using the perfect products. And I really consider this one. This is really perfect for anti-aging. Actually, napansin ko rin na medyo na-minimize na yung pores ko. You know, in my T-zone, sobrang problem ko yan. Sobrang visible yung pores ko, lalo na sa nose area ko. But as I've used this for 1 week, nakakita ko ng improvement. Hindi naman totally na-close out yung pores ko kasi that's impossible na siguro unless gumamit ka ng mga lasers. But na-improve niya yung texture talaga, yung appearance ng pores, nag-less kahit papaano. And na-notice ko rin na mas naging firm yung skin ko. Medyo nawala yung pagkasagi niya ng konting-konti lang naman. Siguro, pag pinagpatuloy ko po to like for months, siguro mas magiging parang naka-botox type na yung face ko. This is very lightweight. Wala akong hapding feeling na nararamdaman sa skin ko pag ginagamit ko siya. And I believe this is suitable for all skin types. Very mild and gentle to the skin. Ganun yung feeling niya. And lastly, what I really like about this serum, this is very time saving kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-toner or maglagay ng moisturizer. So, kung ikaw yung tipong nagmamadali, pakabising tao, and talagang maisingit ang skincare, pero gusto mo pa rin magkaroon ng youthful and glow radiant skin, I recommend using this one. Kasi yun lang, maglagay ka lang ng serum after mo mag-wash, that's it. Marami ka na makukuhang skin benefits dito and may glow talaga siya maibibigay sa'yo. So, I'll be inserting in this video kung paano ko siya ina-apply after ko mag-wash and para lang mapakita ko sa inyo yung skin texture ko right after using this product. Makikita ka talagang glow sa skin mo. So yan, papakita ko sa inyo. I'll be inserting now.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and
So, ayun na. Napakita ko na sa inyo yung skin ko. Lagi ko naman sinasabi na ang skin ko, it's not really perfect. Pero nakaka-happy lang talaga makahanap ng mga skincare products na it's working its function, nakaka-improve ng skin texture natin. Well, lahat naman tayo nag-aim ng perfect skin. Pero kasi, for me, yung perfect skin, it will take a lot of patience and time. Pero yung makakita ka ng improvement sa skin mo just in 7 days, sobrang nakaka-happy na yun for me. And as you can see kanina, yung skin ko naman, it's not perfect, may mga blemishes. Pero kung makikita nyo naman, comparing dun sa previous skin condition ko, which I'll be flashing on the screen, Ayan yung skin condition ko way back before. And looking back dun kanina sa video ko na wala naman akong makeup talaga, it really improved. So may mga dark spots lang which I really need to work on pa. And siguro pag ginamit ko to ng mas matagal, it will help improve my skin texture. So ayun, I'm very much happy to share this products, which is a new renewal activating serum by Avon. So, eto siya. So, if you're interested to buy this one, I'll be linking down below their website para ma-check nyo yung mas detailed na benefits na makukuha nyo dito sa product na to. So, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not yet part of the family, please do subscribe and click the bell button right after watching this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram. And see you in my next vlog. God bless us all. Bye!